In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Zoom account number using your iPhone. Whether you're a seasoned Zoom user or just getting started, knowing where to look for your account information can help you manage your meetings more effectively. So let's dive in and explore the steps to locating your Zoom account number. First, let's begin by opening the Zoom app on your iPhone. Your app icon should look like a white camera on a blue background, so go ahead and tap on that to get started. Once the app is loaded, you'll find yourself on the app's home screen, which is where we can access all the main features of Zoom. Now to proceed, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the settings icon. The settings section is where you can customize your Zoom experience, adjust notifications, and importantly for today's task, access your account details. At the top of the settings page, you should see your account name and the email address you used to register with Zoom. This is the profile overview section, providing a quick glance at your account identity. For those who manage multiple accounts or simply want to verify details, this can be quite handy. What you're going to do next is tap on your name or profile picture, which will open up more detailed information about your account. This step is crucial as it takes you to a page where more specific account settings and details are listed. Now once in your profile, look closely under the section labelled Account Num. This is the spot where business or paid Zoom users will find their Zoom account number. This number is particularly useful for accessing certain business features or troubleshooting tasks with Zoom support. So it's a good idea to note it down somewhere safe. However, if you're using a free or basic version of Zoom, you may notice that a full account number isn't displayed. Don't worry, this is normal. For such accounts, Zoom suggests using your email address as the primary account identifier whenever you need to provide your account information. And that's it, you've now successfully navigated through the process of locating your Zoom account number, or understood the alternatives if you're a basic user. This simple check can be a real time saver whether you're setting up meetings, troubleshooting, or working with others on collaborative projects. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Zoom, feel free to leave a comment below or check out other videos we have on related topics. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy Zooming.